Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make hash brown. So you'll be needing potatoes. So these potatoes are already peeled and washed. Okay, slice these potatoes into cubes. It's time to boil our potatoes. 4 to 5 minutes would be enough, but you have to check your potatoes from time to time if they're cooked. Now, if your fork goes through smoothly, then that means your potatoes are cooked. Now I'm using my fork to mash them, but if you have a masher, you can use it. Now let's add 1 large egg, or if you want 2, then that would be okay. It depends on you. Mix well until well combined. Diba ang daming well? Then let's add salt. Half a teaspoon would be enough. Then half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix again until well combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then form them into your desired shape. If you want star or heart shape, it's up to you. Oh, meet our cat. Her name is Luna. She's actually hungry. She is waiting. She must be very hungry. As you can see guys, yung iba may breadcrumbs, yung iba wala. But it's really your choice. But personally, I'd rather have with breadcrumbs. It looks better. And crispy siya pag may breadcrumbs. Ayan, so we're trying out a new shape. So it's easier to form a heart shape than a star. Kasi gusto ko sana star, but it's so hard. So heart na lang. Para sa mga in love dyan. Time to time guys, you check baka kasi masunog. So pag golden brown na siya, you can flip them. And now it's done. Here is our own hash brown. I hope you like this video and give this a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching.